Alright, we're going to try out this Fire Crackling Max 2 by Power Rangers. Gave $4.99 for it, so let's check it out. Alright, I got it out of the box and hanging up. This is what it looks like. I got my single fuse igniter on it. That way I ain't got to light it and run. So. But it has some bigger crackers here up top. I tried to take the paper off, but they started falling off, so I'm just going to leave it on there. I just have to clean it up. So, but all right. Gonna let Cameron push the button. All right, Cameron, hit it. Wow, now that was loud.